Hey guys, making morphs in Roblox Studio is one of those fun little features that give your game that extra whoa factor, where players can literally turn into another character, creature, or even object. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1, open Roblox Studio. Right, launch Roblox Studio or go to create.roblox.com. Open your game or create a new base plate. All right. Step 2, insert the morph model. You will need a morph model the character players will turn into. You can either make one yourself or find one in the toolbox. Right? You can click the three bars at the top left and search for the tools. Right? And just try to pin down morphs. Okay? Next, make sure it's full rig, meaning it has humanoid and body parts like head, torso, etc. Step 3, add a morph script. Now you need a script that changes the player's appearance when they touch morph pad, right? Create a pod, add a script inside the pod, and paste the code, right? You can find the code. You can type just morph code or morph script to insert into the morph script. Right, and what you're gonna do is store the morph model. Move your morph model, right? Move your morph model into server storage and rename it to morph model for match the name you used in the script. Step 5, test the morph. Click play or play here. Walk your character into the pad or onto the pad. You should morph instantly into the model you set up. Bonus tip, add a sound effect or particle emitter to the pad to make the morph more dramatic. You can create multiple pads for different morphs. Use R15 or R6 rigs consistently. Mixing them can cause issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.